Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show how to we get value from environment file. Firstly, what I need to do is that to install the .env package, npm package actually. Let's go to the VS Code terminal. Here's the terminal. I just want to write here npm i.env. Hit on enter key. Our npm package for .env successfully installed. Let's create a file .env. .env. Inside this env file, I just want to declare the value variable or value for. Now I just want to create the index.js file. Let's create it. Yes. Inside this index.js file, I just want to create or write something like require. Inside require .env .config, and then I just want to declare a constant const URL equal process dot env dot base. Actually the name for here is URL. I just want to print this URL to console.log function. So console.log, inside console.log function URL. Sorry, I just want to tell something here. My base URL is this one. So this is the terminal, and I just want to run the index.js file on node server. So node index.js. Let's see. Hit on enter key. My base URL is this IP, which is declared in environment.env file. This way we can get our face value from environment file. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and keep watching the next and latest tutorial. Thanks.